back to my channel. Today in this particular video, we will be going to discuss all about can get started with that series. All right. So we will be going to create a couple of pivot tables, and we will be gonna create some of the charts so that you will be understand how we can think about that. So then later on we'll club together and move it that graphs into the dashboards. Okay. Alright. I hope that will makes a lot of sense for you folks. Okay. So that is what we will be gonna do it. Alright. So you will understand lot of aspects here. Okay. So that you will not think about any apart from that. Okay. Alright. So we will be gonna jump into the video series. So you will be getting understand this part 4 series, like how the things is going to go forward and how we can do that step by step. It is very step by step process I am doing right now. So anybody wanted to see this particular video can straightforward watch and understand this particular part. Okay, let's jump into this straightforward into the video so that you will understand what kind of an aspects that I am doing right now. So it's very straightforward folks. So now as you know from the previous videos, if you have not watched the previous video part 1, part 2, part 3, so I will be putting into the description. You can go into the description and click on that so that you can go back and revise those things first, then come back to this particular video. No worries if you have not watched previous video, just try to see this particular video, which you watch this particular video. Okay, previous video also, that makes more lot of sense. We are not revising lot of things now. I am just try to whatever the things has been done, I will just try to. It takes lot of time folks. If you are not what I felt is you guys are not subscribing. Lot of people are watching this particular video, they are skipping out this particular video, may not help them. Okay, so this is like general thing that I wanted to tell, in the sense that no one is watching full video. That is what I observed through analytics that YouTube give us. Okay, so this is what the views are there, not a problem, but no, lot of people are having lot of hard work takes this type of videos if we wanted to make it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. If you are watching, watch full video folks. Don't watch half knowledge is not good basically. Okay, so try to think about that first. Okay, all right folks, so that is what I felt, so that I wanted to share with you folks, so that's why I'm telling you. So don't, if you wanted to see watch another kind of a Netflix series, you can watch that. Don't watch this particular video if you wanted to take the half knowledge. Okay, if you wanted to take full knowledge, try to see whole video, so that then that will make sense for you. Parallelly you do it, so this is the things will help you out at the end of the day. Okay, so that is what I wanted to say. So let's get started, not give lot of gyan for you folks. Okay, so here right now I have this pivot table, correct folks? Everyone is able to understand, right? This is a pivot table. So when I click this table is appearing. So what I will do is I will just copy this and paste it in another side. Okay folks, so that one I will do that so that it will be very easy. Okay, let me copy this, let me paste it here. Let me paste it here. I don't know what is happening. Copy. We need to copy. We need to paste it. Alright. So I just pasted here now. Okay. So here what we wanted here is basically we want a product category. If you have saw the problem statement, we are interested in product category and what? Product category and sum of the total means. So select here, okay, select here and change the day name to what? You can remove the field and you can add the product category to the room, right? So just change, drag and drop. Okay, so this is done. Now good to go. Correct folks. So this is what I wanted to say. Okay, so this is a product category that how many number of sales has happened. For a bakery, how many number of sales? For a branded, how many number of sales? For coffee, how many number of sales? What is the sum of the total bill? Packet chocolate, how much number of sales? So this is what I wanted to get into here. So now next what I wanted to do is I wanted to see the product details. Which product detail which has a total bill in a like I wanted to see which product detail has which how much number of sales it has been gained. So what I will do, the same thing I will just copy here. I will just paste it over here, same thing. Okay. Now I will just paste it here. Now I'm interested in now product detail. Correct. So what I will do, I will just check it here. I will just it has a day name. I'll just remove it. I will have product detail. Okay. So now, so here top 5 you can just select it, filter it out. How you can do that? Select this. Okay. You can select like this. Okay. Let me give you the aspect here. There is a value filter. Okay. There is. Are you able to see the value 10? Top 10. Just see here. Select this. Top 5. Okay. So I want only top 5 items. So I will just go over here. Sum of total bill. Then click on OK. So you will get it. Which are the things? Okay. So these are the things like having a total bill. So Brazilian, this is having some $37,746. Ethiopia $42,304. Jamaican Coffee River $38,781. These are the latte $36,369. Sustainable grown organic $39,065. So this is this much amount of thing is like this is happening. Okay, all right. So now you guys understood now what is a particular thing the all about. Correct. So this is all about it. Okay, if you wanted to take it as a chart, you can take it. Okay. So like as you know, right, it is not that much hard to get it the like getting the charts. So what you need to do is go to insert tab, folks. What you have to do is go to insert tab. Just go to here charts. Which kind of a charts that you like, you just select it. Let's say I like this one, line with markers. I choose that. Okay. So basically whatever you feel, which particular chart is important, like if you feels this one, you do this. You don't feel this, don't feel that. Okay. One we have done is see in the dashboard. If you just see here, quantity order based on hours, right? So now we have to do for product categories. So we have to create a chart for product category. So this is the one. Let me put aside this one. Okay. Sum of total bill product category, right? So we can cut it and go to dashboard. Line by one, I will just paste it off. Okay. I'll just showing you folks. It's not like don't showing you nothing about it. Okay. So now third chart we need to have a count of transactions ID, right? So let's dive into here. So I will explain you one by one. Transaction IDs. Okay. Let me take it. So now we have here month name, then okay. So let us grab the list of pivot tables, then we'll get back to that. See, one thing I need to tell you that if you go to analyze, here pivot table 3 is also there, right? You can change and give the name for that. Alright. So let me give the names. Okay. So that will be easy. Okay. So top for product type. Okay, so let's give the product type now. All right, so let me paste the above pivot itself, then make it some changes. What will be there in the row, what will be there in the column, I will just going to tell you. Okay, so let me take this one itself, grab this pivot. Okay, and we'll just change it. Here if you just see here, it's a what it is a product type. So in the row type, row label, what I will do, I will just dename, right? So I will just remove it and I will add it product type. All right, so here the same thing, we have to get the top 5 values. Okay, we don't want top 10, so just change it to 5, 10 to 5. Okay, so now the value comes out to be like 91, 47, 77, 70, 72. All right, so this is another pivot table. You can, as I told you, just go to analyze, go to change the pivot table in here. Like that is what I feel like in Excel. What you will be finding, you will be finding a table. So here what you are doing, creating a table of it. You have to understand that it is a simple, it's all about relationship. Okay, so you top 5, so you have to build this. Okay, save, I gave the name as a top 5. All right, so let's give the another pivot tables we will create it. So then we'll okay, all right, so I'm just pasting the same thing, and the row, it is a day name. I'll just try to make it as to location. Day name, where is the day name? Then store location. Yeah. So stored location. See, in Astoria, how number of sales has happened. In Hell's Kitchen, what has the sales, and Lowest Manhattan, what is the sales. So this is the one. Okay, all right. So now what we'll be gonna do, that is on our last pivot table, we will be gonna see that in particular location what was the count of a transaction IDs. Okay, so let me have a last pivot table, then we'll wrap up this particular video. Okay, so you will be understanding a lot of things here, like so here what you need to do here in the row labels, like you have to be store location, right? Store location, here you should be having what is this name, we'll just have in place of that store location. Okay, store location, and here it should be transaction ID, it should be should be transaction ID. Where it is transaction ID. Transaction ID sum. It should be not sum. Okay. You need to change it to count. Okay. Just go to value field settings. Change it to count. Click on OK. So now you will be seeing that. So count of transaction IDs. So there is a one mistake here, folks. Okay. Try to figure out that. Okay. So one is what I found is there is a in the date field there is some changes here. Okay, for each and every time it is converting into the dollars. It's not needed, right? So that is one problem over here. What you can do is go to data tab. Once again go to get data, then go to launch Power Query editor and try to fix that data cleaning step. Okay, that is what I wanted to give as an assignment. Try to fix those things. So for now what I will be gonna do is I will be gonna create I will be gonna show you. Okay, I will be gonna show you little things. Okay, little things so that you will creating the dashboard, something like that. Okay, all right. So I will be gonna to show it to you what are the things that you need to do it. So we have done for dashboard second, right? That is a sum of a total bill for data category and sum of product category. So third thing is we need to have count of transaction ID and store location. Count of transaction ID and store location, which are the store locations. So we need to create a chart for it. So I will just select this. I will select rule this. Okay. Create and go to insert tab. Go to insert tab. Go to chart. Okay. Go to chart. Whichever you found like feel better. Let's say if you find like line chart. More line chart. Right? See, line chart. This is good for you. Otherwise, let's say bar graph is good, perfect for you. Okay, so select those things. Okay, like stack bar chart, this one, which one you are finding. This one is fine. Yeah, so can you select that? Select those things. Okay, click on this one. It came here, right? So count of transaction ID and store location. You just cut this and we will just move it in the dashboard, correct? So we will slightly scroll down and we'll just paste it. Okay, so we are just taking the visualization. This part video is project 0, folks. As a student, if you are not understanding like what is those things, how these things works, so that is what this project is all about, series is all about. Okay, so then another part is like we need to have a total bill and product type. Which is a product type and what is a total bill, right? So let's get there. Okay, we'll create another here. Just insert a chart here. Create a similar like that. If you feel see this dashboard which we have created is also based on the store location, right? So now it is a product type. So go to insert, go to here. Like if you want a more line charts, go over here. Okay, if you don't know which one to do, so see bar is there, area is there, bar is there, pie is there, column is there, right? Just select this one now. If you feel this one is better suitable for now, just go. Fine. So cut this off and go to here, paste it here. Alright, so here I hope you understood what are the type of a graphs. So if you want like pie chart, like what kind of a things is there, so select here, design, change chart type, click on this, click on pie, select this. If you want, if you feel that this one is good, click on OK. The thing is done. Right now, see, select this. Let's say you wanted to have only bakery one, click on this, you will get it. Select this, select all. For better visualization, I will just select all. Let's say I am just unchecking these things. Okay, let's say, getting, so it is changing dynamically based on the data, folks. Okay, if you want something like this, you can do that. So that's what all about this particular video, folks. Remember one, folks, I given you one assignment. Just comment down below this assignment, you have to do it. Okay, just tell me how the things you will gonna do it. Alright, so wherever you find here also count of a transaction bill, it is coming transaction ID as this one. So how you need to do it, I have given you the instruction what you need to do it, how you need to go for it, and how the data cleaning part is. Just comment down below if you are not able to do it, so I can record another video. I will have a solution for it, then we'll get back to the next further videos. Okay, so that's it about this particular video, folks. In the next video we'll get back with nice awesome videos, nice series only. This series only will be going to continue. You will be understanding a lot more things. Okay, so that's all for the day. Goodbye and great day ahead, folks. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed to the channel. If you want this particular content to be seen in the future videos as well, so you can just subscribe to that too. Okay, not because I want to get the subscribers, no. If you want such content, you can subscribe it, no harm in it. If you don't want, if you wanted to unsubscribe it, it's up to your interest, folks. Okay, all right, goodbye and great day ahead, and good. That's all for this particular series, folks. In the next series I will be gonna discuss about more that about it.